In 2008, Metal Expo International Industrial Exhibition reached a higher level. For the first time in 5 years, the exposition was arranged at Crocus Expo, the most modern exhibition fairground. The exhibition has grown 15% as compared to the previous year, with its space exceeding 30,000 square meters. More than 22,000 general managers and professionals, exhibitors and visitors of the forum efficiently worked during the 4 days of the exhibition for the future development of their companies. Among Metal Expo exhibitors were major Russian steelmaking and machine building works, medium and small Russian companies, as well as companies from the CIS and foreign countries. Severstal, MMK, Metchel, Estar Group of companies, Ruspetstal, TMK, OMK, Chitepeze Group, Urals Mining and Metallurgical Company, VSMPO Avisma Corporation, KUMS, Chelyabinsk Zinc Plant, Avtovaz, the Elektrostal Heavy Engineering Works, OMZ Special Steels, Magnezit Group, European Bearing Corporation, Elektrostal Works, Ural Trubostal, Agrisov Gaz, ArcelorMittal, Ruki, ThyssenKrupp, Outokumpu, SMS Group, Danieli, Vesuvius, EVG, PM, Puma, Timken, RHI, MEP, Pomini Tenova, Ilyich Iron and Steel Works of Mariupol, NKMZ, Dneprospetsstal, Interpipe, Belarusian Steel Works, Centravis, Salim Echitus Group, Sierra Europe, Metso Lindemann, BLN, PromUp, Meta Service, Weber Co-Mechanics, Comtech, Stelberg. All of them and many more presented their production programs at Metal Expo. Metal Expo 2008 provided a perfect opportunity to analyze the situation and trends in the development of Russian and world economy, exchange opinions, and find new ways of cooperation in 2009. In 2009, Metal Expo will again gather its exhibitors, visitors, and guests together. Welcome to Metal Expo 2009.